Welcome to the e-learning platform by Science Park for Standard 6 Part 2 of Force and Types of Force. In this part, we are going to learn types of force, unit and measurement of force, and along with that applications of force. ये हमने क्यों पढ़ना है भाई? We are going to study that, and then you will able to use your brain power. अब देखते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ फोर्सेस. फोर्सेस के बेसिकली दो ही टाइप्स है, कॉन्टैक्ट एंड नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट. कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स में क्या होता है? These forces are involved only when two objects are in physical contact with each other. Okay, that meaning they are touching. So first type is muscular force. Okay, so muscular force कहाँ पे लगता है? जहाँ पे हम लोग एक्चुअली हमारी बॉडी जो है वो फिजिकली कुछ करती है, लाइक लिफ्टिंग, वॉकिंग, रनिंग, बेंडिंग, ये सब मस्कुलर फोर्सेस हैं. ओके, और ये जो करते हैं वेट लिफ्टिंग, दैट इज ऑल्सो मस्कुलर काइंड ऑफ फोर्स.
So this is a spring balance. Now with the help of spring balance we can measure the force. So here there is a hook and I'll stretch this, so you can see approximately the force is 10 newtons.
अब देखते हैं फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. ओके, ये जो साइक्लिस्ट है शुरू में एक जगह पर रुका हुआ है, ही इज एट रेस्ट, देन ही पेडल्स एंड गोज अहेड एंड स्टॉप्स व्हेनेवर ही विशेस. जब इसको रुकना है तब वो क्या करता है? ही अप्लाइज द ब्रेक. लेकिन ब्रेक अप्लाई करते हैं तब क्या होता है? सेम होता है जब हम कैरम खेलते हैं. आप ऐसा सोचो, कैरम के बोर्ड ऊपर पाउडर नहीं डाली है और देन जस्ट ट्राई टू स्ट्राइक दैट स्ट्राइकर. सो इन बोथ द केसेस बेसिकली फ्रिक्शन प्लेज द रोल. ओके, जब भी दो चीज़ें एक के ऊपर एक घसीटी जाती है तब वहाँ पे आता है फ्रिक्शन, एंड दैट फोर्स इज फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. ओके, कैरम में क्या होता है और ये बॉक्स में भी वही हो रहा है. जब बॉक्स हम ढकेलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं तब नीचे अनइवन सरफेस है, वो सब कंप्लीटली स्मूथ नहीं है. इन रियलिटी एकदम से स्मूथ सरफेस नहीं होता है. इसका मतलब वहाँ पे फ्रिक्शन जनरेट हो रहा है, वो फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स है. ओके, अब आप लोग मुझे एक बोलने वाले हो, जब कीचड़ में कार फंस गई हो तब वहाँ पे वुडन प्लैंक क्यों डालते हैं? क्या होता है? ये मेरे पास क्वाइट स्मूथ ऐसा सरफेस है. आई हैव 4 मटेरियल्स हियर: कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम, पॉलिश पेपर एंड वुड. आई एम गोइंग टू अलाउ ऑल दिस टू स्लाइड डाउन. देखते हैं कौन पहले पहुंचता है. 1, 2, 3. कॉपर प्लेट विच इज क्वाइट स्मूथ हैज रीच अर्लियर. सबसे लास्ट में वुड और ये पॉलिश पेपर गिरेगा. क्यों? ये जो है दीज आर रफ सरफेसेस, सो फ्रिक्शन इज रिड्यूस्ड इन केस ऑफ स्मूथ सरफेस. This is mechanical force. Mechanical meaning the force applied by means of machines only. Okay. First example, sewing machine, hand pump, washing machine, mixer. Okay. But few machines are run by using electricity or fuel. पहले के ज़माने में अगर आपने देखा होगा तो sewing machine was operated with the help of legs, but nowadays this is fully automatic. Even hand pump was used in earlier days, but nowadays it is controlled by motor. Washing machines are also now available fully automatic. Okay, the machines which are operated automatically are called automatic machines because mechanical force is also used here, but in earlier days muscular force was used. ये मॉडल देखा है? दिस इज दा विंसीज कैटापल्ट. ओके, ये जो है ये ऐसे ऑपरेट होता है. ओके, जो ऐसा स्पून जैसा दिख रहा है, जस्ट कीप बॉल देयर और विच एवर मटेरियल यू वांट टू टारगेट, जस्ट कीप देयर एंड adjust the direction and just release it. Do you know you can make such kind of thing at home? Kindly subscribe our channel. There you will find how to make catapult with the help of ice cream sticks. This is Da Vinci's mechanical drum. Okay, ये mechanically operate होता है like machine. This is Da Vinci's again flying bird. Let us see how he got the concept. This is bat and he studied the wings of the bat and this model was introduced. Till now whichever forces we have seen all were contact forces. अब देखते हैं नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस. नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट मीनिंग जहाँ पे दो बॉडीज एक दूसरे को फिजिकली टच नहीं करती है. ओके, सो लेट अस सी हियर. इफ आई ब्रिंग दिस मैग्नेट क्लोज टू द नेल्स, देन nails tend to attract. Here we are not touching anything. So this is non-contact force. This is basically magnetic force. Can we push or pull this red toy without touching with the help of glue? Yes. So I have kept two magnets here. Okay. So this is magnetic force and this is non-contact force. What happened here? I rubbed this comb on the hair and tried to take it near to the pieces of papers. Okay, so there, because of friction, the electricity is generated. This is called as electrostatic force. I am rubbing this comb on hair. Then I am going to take it near hair. Let us see what happens. Can you see hair is standing here? This is because of static electricity generated because of frictional force.
So this is known as Wimshurt's machine. It is a static electricity generator. So now you have to concentrate here between these two terminals. Can you see a spark? Yes. So this is generated due to static electricity, that is friction between two objects. Now in this case, you can see the friction is between this brush and this circular plate.
Here we are going to drop one object in the bucket which is having little water in it. Okay, so we are going to perform this experiment from two different heights. So let us do from 1 meter height. Observe the water displaced. Now it is from 1.5 meter. So in this case there was more water coming out from the bucket. So as we increase the height, the velocity is increasing due to gravitational force. If we want to lift the object and if it is heavy, that meaning if we consider this box is having some material inside, it takes lot of efforts for us to lift that box. If another box is empty, we can carry it easily. Okay, that meaning gravitational force on a light object is less, that meaning it weighs less, whereas gravitational force on heavier object is greater, means it weighs more. So greater force must be applied to lift the greater weight.
So this is a spring balance. Now with the help of spring balance, we can measure the force. So here there is a hook and I'll stretch this. So you can see approximately the force is 10 newtons.
Like this, suspended object is pulled downwards because of force of gravity. The gravitational force acting on an object is the weight of that object.
So here we have a digital spring balance. So the one which we saw earlier is used in our day-to-day lives, but nowadays digital spring balance is also used, and as you can see, we can get as close to the exact value of the weight of this bag.
We know that planets are revolving around sun. Okay? Now this is because of the gravitational force. Gravitational force operates between sun and the planets in the solar system, and at the same time gravity also operates between planets and satellites. हमने अलग अलग टाइप्स देख लिए फोर्स के, लेकिन ये फोर्स का यूनिट क्या है? The SI unit of force is Newton, and in CGS it is Dyne. Just for additional information, okay? So actually 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg into meter per second square. Okay? ये कैसे आता है हम नेक्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में डेफिनेटली सीखने वाले हैं. Let us use our brain power. Question 1. Why don't all the planets and satellites fall towards the sun? Second question. Which forces are acting upon an aeroplane taking off into the sky?